So, can you raise your retirement account to buy a house? Surprisingly, yes, you can. And in many cases, you can avoid a lot of taxes and fees you'd encounter for other withdrawals. If most of your savings are tied up in retirement accounts, you might be closer to buying a home than you thought. But it depends on the type of account you have and how you access the money. Let's go over the main options, the pros and cons, and what to consider before tapping into your retirement savings. Using a 401k to buy a home. If you have a 401k, your plan administrator might let you borrow against it for a down payment. You can typically borrow up to 50% of your vested balance, which is a maximum of $50,000. Repayment is usually spread over 5 years, although some plans give you longer if you are using the funds for a home purchase. And the interest you pay goes back to your own account. The big gotcha is that if you leave your job before the loan is paid off, the remaining balance may be treated as a withdrawal and taxed. You can also take hardship withdrawal, but those often come with taxes and penalties, so they are usually less attractive. Using an IRA to buy a home. IRAs work differently. With a traditional IRA, you normally pay a 10% penalty if you withdraw before the age of 59 and a half. But there is an exception for first-time homebuyers. You can withdraw up to $10,000 without penalty to put towards a home purchase. And if you're married, both spouses can each withdraw $10,000 for a combined total of $20,000. And you will still owe income taxes on the withdrawal if it comes from a traditional IRA. With a Roth IRA, contributions can be withdrawn at any time, tax and penalty free. Earnings can also be withdrawn penalty free up to $10,000 for first-time home purchase as long as the account has been open for at least 5 years. Pros of using retirement funds. Using retirement funds to buy a house comes with some advantages, like access to cash for a down payment or closing cost. It may help you qualify for a mortgage sooner instead of waiting years to save. And certain accounts offer penalty-free options for first-time homebuyers. Cons of using a retirement funds. It reduces compounding earnings on retirement funds, which can add up over time. Some withdrawals are taxable and penalties may apply if rules are not followed. And if you take out a 401k loan and leave your job, repayment terms can create many complications. Things to consider before using retirement savings. Before tapping your retirement account, think about a few things. Whether you have other sources of cash like savings or down payment assistance, the long-term impact on your retirement goals, and talking to a financial advisor to weigh the trade-offs. Yes, you can use retirement funds to buy a house, and in some cases, the rules are designed to make it easier for first-time buyers. But it is not a decision to take lightly. Make sure you understand the rules for your specific account, the taxes or penalties involved, and how taking money out now could affect your future. For more mortgage and home buying insight, visit mortgageresearch.com. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. And if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to making smart choices on your path to home ownership.